eve of the end, the demon of Hatzoatl has finally come for me.
Enough talk! Show me what you got!
The power of the Varg! Nothing can stand against us. You are blind to the greater good. Let's see how you handle this.
You're done!
The power of the Varg. Inferno! Five moves ahead. Channel the reactor. I can't give up. I must save my people.
You know why we're here! It happened!
Need a
It
sec.
cannot be stopped!
No, I will succeed. I cannot let my efforts be in vain. I will burn you alive. I've had enough of you. What? How? Get up! Get up! The end of the world is nigh. Now you're within my grasp. I plan for every contingency. There is no escape. Full power. I cannot allow you to interfere. Aziri will soon begin her ascension. Out of my way or die.
You're done!
Self-destruction! This is not over yet. I cannot allow you to interfere. You think you can run? No! Do not fail me. Not now! How could this happen? All I've done. All that I sacrificed.
Your people cannot be saved. History is already written. You can stay here and die, or come with us and help save the future.
The legacy of the Val must be protected. I do know of a way to contain the beast.
Best you start talking then. My friend here isn't exactly the peacemaking type.